Can I do some work, please? I take it that's a no. Do you want to read your blog? No, you want your dinner. You're having the last word then? You are such spoilt moggies. Do you want your dinner? Come on then, let's go. Let's go and have some dinner. Well, I'm up. Are you? I'll go then. I'm going to go and do your dinner. It's up to you boys if you want to come.